If you want, you can go to this variation of the wide leg extended happy baby. Wide leg open up, stretch as much. The edition of sharing yoga stretches with you. Today we're going to be doing some yoga stretches that will help relieve some soreness if you had worked out. So now guys, this is for all those gym bodies who are working out and you feel sore around your legs and all throughout your body. Let's get right in. We're going to do some inhale, lift up, stretch up, exhale, come into child's pose. Inhale, lift up, exhale, come into child's. By the time you finish coming into child's pose, stick your right foot forward and come into half split. In half split, you're bringing your hands beside you and come into half split. So guys, you're going to stretch your hamstrings all the way down by bringing your forehead down to your knees. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to half. Come back inward into the lunge and come back into half split. Do that 3 more times. Back into half split. The last one, go in. Back into half split. One more inhale, squeeze. Back into half split. Now stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch over to the other side. So we're going to go into half split stretch for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to go into then rocking into the lunge. Open up the hips and back. Open up again. Back into half splits. 2 more. Back into half splits. 3 more. Back into half splits. Let's go for 4, guys. Back into half splits. And the last one. Back into half splits. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. Now that we are done with this, we're going to come into a lifting up into this low lunge. Squeeze up, stretch out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, come back. Switch over to the other side. That low lunge variation is like same thing as lizard pose. Opens up the hips, stretch the back, and just remove all the tension. Inshallah. After now, we're going to come into a seated position. Long legs in front of you. Inhale, keep your spine straight. Exhale, lift up and bow forward. Bring your head all the way down to your knees. Stretch side to side. Stretch side to side. All the way stretch side to side. So this is like a seated forward fold. Take it according to your level. You want to push back, push forward, forward, forward. Bringing your forehead down and stretching your hamstrings even more. But if that's too much for you, keep your spine straight and just let it. After that, we're going into this variation of the supine twist. Take your leg over to the other side. Take the alternating hand and twist. So this is going to help stretch out your obliques and any kind of discomfort you might be in around here. Now to make it more, lengthen out and stretch out. After taking 3 breaths, you're going to switch over to the other side. Take the alternating hand, take this way to the back, and stretch. For 3 breaths. After which you're going to come back all the way. Now guys, we're going to do this particular variation of the figure 4. So guys, you're going to plant one leg. So let's take it slow. Plant one leg, take the other one over. Both hands are facing the other direction, figure 4. So guys, this figure 4 variation, the more the other leg, this leg is lifted up, the more you can stretch your hamstrings and your adductors here. So guys, I'm sitting up and I'm stretching in figure 4. Taking 5 deep breaths. Now guys, we're going to rock it by dropping my knees. See guys, dropping the knees down, dropping the knees down. So you're, instead of being here, you're dropping this knee down to the side and engaging your toes. So we'll stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, and drop. Whew. We'll go over to the other side. Adjust ourselves as needed. Adjust ourselves as needed. Lift up as much. Open up for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, guys, we're going to drop that knee. Drop it. Drop the knee. Engage your toes for 5, 4. You can literally feel the stretch on the inside. 3, 2, and 1. Good job, guys. We're going to drop it now. And we're just going to rock our legs side to side. Rock it side to side. 5 more. 3 more. And the last 2. So guys, the name of this other stretch we're going to be doing now is known as wide leg forward fold. We're going to open up the legs. Beginners is okay. You can take what works for you. But I can tell you that this pose helps to stretch your inner thighs. So the first one is just wide leg forward fold. Walk your hands forward and all the way surrender. So let's say we stay here for 5 breaths. 4, 3, and the last one. Come back up. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to drop our elbows down. So it's okay if you can't do this. Beginners, you can drop it here and push your body wall forward. Intermediate, drop on the mat. Advanced, take the knee all the way up and come into this position. It's easy, right? So just take your time, take it slow and keep going. So guys, you can do that by engaging your glutes and pointing your toes over to the side. Over the side. So you're engaging the glutes and then you drop the chin. And then we come out. The last one we're going to be doing now is known as pancake. We're grabbing the ankles or grabbing the shins and just stretch it into that glute area. Stretch the glute area. If it's too easy for you, drop your head down. Open up, open up, open up. And come back up. So you're going to feel all those adductors on the inside and all those places really, really stretched. Take a deep breath, inhale, and slowly exhale. So guys, to make it much more intense, we're going to go to half dragon stretch. You're going to bend this leg over to this other side. You see the way this place is opened up and you're going to surrender right at the middle. So this half dragon stretch is quite intense. If you have any injury, I would advise you to just sit up and stay with it. But if you do not have any injury, you are okay. You can just surrender all the way down towards it. So this opens up your hips even more. 5 breaths and you're out. Adjust this leg back up to the half split position, middle split position, sorry. Bend this other leg, open up and surrender again. Remember, if you have any injuries, adjust yourself as needed. Open up more and just stay with it. 5 breaths, and you're out. So guys, you're going to close the legs up now and come into butterfly. So butterfly is that position you have to really take to help us open up those hips and just hit it. And if that's too easy, you're going to go up and bow forward. Stay for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, up. Now we're going to take 2 positions, lying down. So the first one we're going to do is a knee to chest hug. Hug yourself. Putting pressure on your lower back and pointing your toes towards the ground. Inhale and exhale. One more breath. Inhale and exhale. Now guys, we're going to adjust ourselves. Release one of the legs and stretch open, okay? So guys, this one is a little bit of a hip opener, but reverse. Now you're going to grab the soles of your feet and lift up in half happy baby. So you're opening up one of the hamstrings. The soles of the feet is facing the ceiling, and you are just going to relax the other hand. Beginners, this is where you're going to be half happy baby. Advanced, you're going to take that leg over and stretch all the way up. If it's too easy, bring it all the way up close, grab with the other hand and open up. So when you do these stretches, it's going to help you open up your inner thighs. And then we're going to drop off. Do the same for the other one. Knee to chest hug on the other side. Guys, it really feels good. And then we're going to grab onto knees. Open up the hips. Lift up this hand all the way up. Stay there for 5 breaths. If that's too easy for you, grab with the other hand and lengthen out. Stretch it out for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way back. Good job. The second one is going to be the variation of figure 4. Grabbing here and just stretching out. So guys, you see you're still stretching the inside of the legs, okay? Stay here for 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. You can stay here or you can grab the figure 4, make the figure 4 longer. Find your balance and even stretch more. So it stretches more of the glute area. Slowly switch sides. Grab. Stay for 5, 3, 2, and the last one. Grab. 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job, guys. Now we're going to go to happy baby. Open up in happy baby. So happy baby is that pose that's going to help us reduce all that pressure. See, my knee is coming to the ground. This is really advanced. But if you're a beginner, intermediate level, just find a way to bring the soles of your feet up and grab them. Rock side to side. By now you're going to be feeling all the tension leaving your body. Grab into happy baby and open up. If you want, you can go to this variation of the wide leg extended happy baby. Wide leg open up, stretch as much as you can do, and slowly take recline butterfly. Soles of your feet to your heart center. and just massage all this area. If you're practicing with a partner, have the partner just give you a little massage around your inner thighs, stretching and just rolling their fingers all the way down. So guys, it's just you and I. So we're just going to use our hands and give it a little pressure. Good job. After touching, we're going to come into this position. Place your right hand on your chest, your left hand on your belly button. Now it's time to slow down and just relax yourself. Stay here for up to 1 minute. And then now we can go to Savasana, close up and sink your head body down. Well done. You deserve to take this break. Just feel all the tension around your waist, all the way down to your legs. Let it leave your body. Slow yourself down. You're going to see that your lower body is going to feel very light and free. So thank you guys for sticking out, sharing the gift of yoga all through this festive period. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on your post notifications so you know when I post new videos. You know I love you so much. Have a nice time and enjoy your holidays. Bye.